Institute of Cell Therapy is a high-tech medical company. We specialize in banking of different biological materials and stem cell treatment. The company consists of biotech laboratory called cryobank, which is store all the materials, a few laboratories, R&D center and 2 clinics in Kiev. Stem cells are unique regenerating material. They are progenitors of all tissues and organs. As older we become, as less amount of regeneration potential of stem cells we have in our bodies. How do stem cells work? There are few sources of stem cells, but mostly we use mesenchymal stem cells derived from placenta. According to the clinical studies, there are few mechanisms of action of allogenic stem cells. First of them is a paracrine action. It caused by a high amount of low molecular weight proteins and growth factors in the stem cell preparations. Another one is specific regulatory action. Stem cells reduce inflammation in the damaged organs and restore their structure on the cellular level. Is it safe? Yes, absolutely. Institute of Cell Therapy has all required governmental licenses and permissions on using stem cells materials in clinical practice. The efficiency of treatment is proved by years of clinical experience. Our treatment methods are based on numerous clinical studies. Our materials are processed in our laboratories certified by GMP and GLP standards, and then stored in our cryobank. All materials are absolutely sterile and safe. More than 50 years of clinical studies show that mesenchymal stem cells cannot start any kind of cancerogenesis. Also, they do not cause any rejection. And I would like to highlight that thanks to high amount of cytokines and activation of lymphocytes, stem cells have a very great impact on modulation of immune system. Among 100 of different diseases that can be treated by stem cells, we mostly work with patients with metabolic disorders, with diabetes the second and the first type, cardiovascular pathology as post-infarctional cardiosclerosis, atherosclerosis, patients with hypertension, neurological diseases like MS, ALS, post-stroke rehabilitation. We have very great results in patients for osteoarthritis treatment. Also, we have anti-aging programs for our patients. According to the world pandemic of COVID-19 in 2020, Institute of Cell Therapy, together with its own R&D center, launched the clinical trials aimed to cure patients with severe COVID pneumonia. And results are very promising. Studies showed that COVID-19 has a long-term consequences that can occur within weeks or even months after the acute phase of the illness. The symptoms are very different, like shortness of breath, joint pain, and even post-COVID depression. Our program, Post-COVID Recovery with Stem Cells, helps to restore all internal organs, ensures the adequate response of the immune system, and protects all the body and restores homeostasis. We will be glad to answer all your questions. Thank you.